language code in the form of output. So compiler is a basically translator. Now compiler reads the source program statement wise and checks for the syntax error. So when we compile our program, it reads our whole program at a time on the basis of statement wise, and then it checks for the syntax error. Then next is our interpreter. So the another type of translator is available, and that is known as an interpreter. So interpreter is a different kind of translator with a different approach compared to the compiler. When we discuss about the interpreter, so interpreter translates and executes the program line by line, as compared to the compiler. Compiler compiles the program whole program at a time, while interpreter translates and executes the program single line by line. Now we will compare the compiler and interpreter. So compiler scans the entire program at a time, while interpreter scans the program line by line. Now the next point for the compiler is that the execution takes place after removing all syntax error. When we compile our program, and if even single syntax error is remaining in our program, then it is not possible to execute our program. While when we use interpreter, so in interpreter every line is checked for the syntax error, and then it is converted into the equivalent code. Now the third point for the compiler is that it is slow in debugging. So because it compiles the whole program at a time, so it is slow in debugging, while interpreter can be used for the fast debugging. When we discuss about the compiler, so it takes the less execution time due to the it scans the whole program at a time, while we use interpreter, so it takes more execution time because it interprets the whole program line by line. Now the next category of software is a linker. So as the name tells us, that a linker performs the job of linking to programs. So linker links the different object program to make object programs known to each other. When we write programs in our same program, different sections are there, so the linker links different sections and makes a single object file. When we use some built-in functions in our program, so it requires linking. Linker links the different object program to make object programs known to each other. Now built-in functions in language requires a linking. Linking makes the addresses of the programs known to each other to transfer the control from one subprogram to another during the execution. Loader. So loader means physically placing the machine instruction data into main memory. Now loader is a program which accepts the object program and prepares the for the execution and initiates the execution. Now the different functions are made by the loaders: assignment of load time storage area to the program, loading of program into assigned area, relocation of program to execute properly from its load time storage area, and linking of programs with one another. And finally this figure shows the process of program execution. The process will start from the source program, and it goes to the compiler. Then compiler will compile it into the object module. Object module is linked using linker, and linker will prepare the binary program, and that binary program is loaded by the loader into the memory, and finally the memory will give use the data we have grabbed into the input phase, and performs some sort of operations on that data, and gives us the result. Thank you.